Health and relationships. Two things we often take for granted until they break. Your body and your heart speak the same language. When your health suffers, your relationship feels it. And when your relationship is unstable, your health carries the weight. True love isn't just about holding hands. It's about holding each other accountable to grow, to heal, to rest, to breathe. Healthy relationships don't avoid problems. They face them gently with communication, with patience, with care. Because the best relationships are built between two people who are whole. Two people who choose to take care of themselves so they can take care of each other. Protect your health. Nurture your relationships, because when both are in harmony, life feels lighter, love feels deeper, and you become unstoppable.